Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Shahid Ali Khan, your IT teacher, and today I have another new video related to Boolean algebra. As you can see on the screen, there are different logical operations or logical gates in the diagram you can see. So today we will discuss about different logical operation or logical gates related to Boolean algebra. So let's move towards today's topic. First of all, Boolean algebra. In mathematics and mathematical logic, Boolean algebra is the branch of algebra in which the values of the variables are the truth values, true and false, usually denoted 1 and 0. True means 1 and 0 means false, respectively. Originally, Boolean algebra, which was formulated by George Boole, an English mathematician. So Boolean algebra is also called switching algebra. As we can see in this picture, there are two different bulbs and the logical operation or logical gates are there, and there are switch. When we turn on the switch or off the switch, so it perform their jobs of different logical gates, and bulb is turning on and turning off. So let's move towards the next one, Boolean algebra. Something more about Boolean algebra. In computer work, it is used in addition to describe circuits whose state can be either 1 means true or 0 means false, or high pulse or low pulse we can say, using the relations defined in the and, or, and not operations. These are different operations used in Boolean algebra. And there is another picture we can see. If we are giving input 1 and input 0, then we will get output here after a logical gate or logical operation is there, and logical operation is performing according to the input and giving us output. As we can see, if all inputs are 0, so we will get 1. If all inputs are 1, then we will get 1, and all are 0, then we will get 0. So this is the output of all inputs A, B, C, D. As we can see, we have 4 inputs, and this one is called AND gate. So one by one we will discuss about all different gates or operations. So let's move. Logical gates, as we have discussed in the previous diagram, that there are different operations performed according to the logical gates. So what are those different logical gates? So number one is AND gate, and Boolean notation is, if we have two variables, so there will be a dot sign. Dot sign denote that there is AND gate. And next one is OR gate. OR gate means plus sign. If we have two variables a plus b, so there is or means plus sign, and not means or a bar, or it is also called inverter. And next function, logical function or logical gate is NAND. NAND means a dot b, nor a plus b, exclusive or, and exclusive XOR as well. So one by one we will discuss about all these logical gates. So let's move. Number one is AND operation gate, a Boolean operator that gives the value 1 if and only if all the operands are 1, and otherwise has a value of 0. For example, all inputs are 0, so we'll get 0, or if all inputs are 1, so we'll get 1. As we can see in this picture, if there are 1, so their output will be 1. If there is 0, 1, so output will be 0. As we can see, if there is a 1 0 0 0 output 0 0 1 output 0 1 0 output is also 0. And there is a truth table of AND gate. AND gate means, as I have explained, that there is multiply sign that is called dot. Dot means multiplication in Boolean algebra. So this one is called AND operation, and we are giving inputs, and here we are getting output after data is moving from the AND gate. An AND gate picture is just like a letter D, capital letter D shape, as we can see. And this one is a truth table. For example, if we have value A is 0 and B is 0, so we will have output 0. If one value is 0 and B is 1, so output will be 0, because dot means multiply. If 0 multiply by 1, so answer will be 0. If A is 1 and B is 0, so again we will get 0, because 0 multiplied by 1 will be 0, because dot means multiplication. And next one is A is 1 and B is 1. If both values are 1 or both inputs are 1, so we will get 1 here. Same like that in this picture we can see. If there is 2 times 1, so we will get 1. So let's move towards the next operation, that is called OR operations or OR gate. A Boolean operator that gives the value 1 if at least one operand or input has a value of 1 and otherwise has a value of 0. A circuit that gives an output signal if there is a single signal or any of its inputs. As we can see that if we have one value is 0 and other one is 1, so we will have 1, because OR operation means plus sign, as we can see in this truth table. OR means plus in Boolean algebra. For example, if value of A is 0 and value of B is 0, so we will have 0, because A plus B. A plus B means 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. If one value is 0 and second value is 1, so 0 plus 1 output will be 1. If A is 1 and B is 0, so again it will have 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1 or 1 plus 0 is 1, because we are going to add values of two inputs. Same like that, if we have 1, value of A is 1 and value of B is 1, so we will have 1. And this diagram or logical gate is applying all these values, possible values of A and B. So you can see the output here on this picture. After current is moving from the AND OR gate, so you will have the output. All values is 0, so you will have 0. So this one is OR operation. So let's move towards the next one, that is called NOT operation or NOT gate. NOT means inverter or negation, that is called complement. A Boolean operator with only one variable that has the value 1 when the variable is 0 and vice versa. If you have a variable value 0 and you are applying the NOT gate, that is a small triangle and there is a 0 sign on the top of the small triangle, so you will have the value 1, because it reverses the value. If value is 0, so it will change the value 1, or if you have 1, so value will become 0, because it convert the value vice versa. That is called inverter or negation, and it is also called complement. As we can see in this truth table, on the left side, if the value of A is equal to 0, so inverter or the complement of A is 1. If the value is 1, so it will 0. So this one is not operation. So let's move towards the next one, that is called NAND operation or NAND gate. In digital circuits, a NAND gate is a logic circuit which produces an output which is false only if all its inputs are true. All inputs are true means all inputs are 1. Thus, its output is complement, so that of an AND gate, a low output result only if all the inputs to the gate are high. High means high pulse or low pulse means 0 and 1. If any input is low, a high output result. Same like that, if two inputs are here, we can see 1, so we will have 0. If 0, then we will have 1. It means we can see this truth table. If the value of A is equal to 0 or B is 0, so there is dot gate. Dot means multiply. You have to multiply 0 by 0, then you will have 0, and take the inverter of output. Inverter means AND gate and not gate. Sorry, not gate. Inverter means not gate or complement. So you will have one. Same like that. If A is 0, B is 1. So 0 into 1 is equal to 1 because you are taking complement of the output. If you have 1 and B is equal to 0, so 0 multiplied by 1 is 0 and you are getting inverter, so it will become 1. Same like that, the last value. So after getting output, you are taking inverter, that is called complement. If 1, then you will get 0. If output is 1, so you will get 1. If output is 0, so you will get 1. Same like that, because you are going to multiply. After multiplication, you have to take inverter or apply and NOT gate, that is AND. In this diagram we can see there is A and B and you are applying AND gate. After that you are applying NOT or inverter or negation, a small triangle. After that there is 0 and you will have A dot B whole bar.